Okay, here we go. So good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. But my name is Mr. Collazo, if y'all don't know me. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how to fill out a Google form, okay? So right now I'm going to share my screen so you can see a Google form. There we go. So I know most likely y'all filled out a Google form before, especially with distance learning last semester, but I'm going to show you all the things that you need to know to be successful this year with the Google form, okay? So first of all, this is basically going to be the main page, the first page you're going to see on every Google form, okay? We try to keep it the same. So the first thing you're going to do is put your student ID. So, I mean, whatever your ID is, let's say, I don't know, 541541, right? Student ID, easy. Put your last name. So I'll put mine, Collazo. First name, Mr. Okay, so make sure you are accurate with these because that's how obviously we get your grade. And then make sure you put your period. Again, make sure it's accurate. So let's say third. Okay, and go to the next page. Okay, so how to use a YouTube video. Most, like 99% of y'all have watched a YouTube video before. Okay, so if you have a question with the video, obviously you should watch that video. So let's watch this video. All right. So then we need to answer a question about that video, right? So what happened to the dog? Did he run off? Was he sprayed water in the mouth? Did he eat a bone? Did he play fetch? Obviously, he was sprayed in the mouth, okay? So we click our answer and we go to next. Obviously, we're gonna have more math related videos, but I mean, it's the same kind of thing. You watch the video, you answer the question. Next. Okay, sometimes you might be given notes. So you might have your teacher's written notes on a Google form. Okay, so if that happens, obviously you should use them. They're there for a reason. So let's answer this question. According to the notes above, which is this, what is 2 plus 2? Well, let's look at the notes. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we put 4. Easy, just like that. And I know this is basic, but we'll just do it anyway. Here, this is another type of question that you might see, okay? So what it says is select all numbers greater than 1, all numbers, okay? Usually when your teacher bolds something like that, that means there's going to be multiple answers, okay? And so in this, for example, let's go one by one. So is -1 greater than 1? No. Is -2 greater than 1? No. 0? No. 2? Yes. But it says all. So is 3 greater than 1? Yes. So for this question, I have 2 answers. And you need to make sure you check both of them, because if you only check one, you're going to get points off. So make sure you check both if it says select all, okay? And then another type of question, which is the last one we're going to talk about today, is called a drop box. And it's exactly what it says, right? It drops a bunch of answer choices. So if we look at the question, select the equal sign, click this. We know the equal sign is this, right? But just for this Google Form sake, I'm just going to click the money sign, even though we know that's not an equal sign, okay? So once you fill out all the questions, you're going to come hit submit, right? And then here, you can either view the score or submit another response. But I'm going to suggest you always view the score first. So when we do that, it should take you to another link, and it's going to show you your total points. So because I missed that last question, I got 75 out of 100, right? So we can scroll down and we can see what we got right. So I got the dog question right. I got the notes question right. I got this one right, but I missed this last question, okay? Now for my class, I'm not going to give you the correct answer. And your other teachers might, I'm not sure. But for my class, they're not. So if you kind of go back to this question, you're like, man, I just messed up. I know the right answer, right? Then what you can do is you can go back to this page, submit another response, and then do it again and get 100, okay? It's that easy. So remember, once you fill out this form, your score is in the top right corner, and you can go back to this page and submit another response, do it all over again, okay? It's very easy. I know a lot of y'all have worked with Google Forms before, so this shouldn't be anything new. But remember, if you have any questions, ask your teacher and they will help you out. Y'all have a good day.